Oh my goodness. It's like everywhere you turn is like everyone wants to do dreadlocks, faux locks, any name it. Any kind of locks you can think about. Any kind of locks. So hey my beautiful people, how are you doing? As per usual, how are you doing? So yeah, in this video I'm gonna be doing the faux locks. I'm gonna be installing faux locks. It's like the crochet faux locks, and then I'll be using the twisted up kinky hair by Ultra. So my client, she has short natural hair, not so short, like 4 inches in length, and they're so short. So I'm going to be using some of the twisted up braid. I'm gonna be cutting it short like this length, and then I'll be adding it for a little enhancement to make the braid stay in longer, neater for a very long time. We don't want any hair to be falling out, okay? So I'll be doing like a knotless, starting off with a knotless braid, so that the my client, she would be able to maneuver these locks, flip them left, right, up, down, and style them any old how that she wants. Okay, so yeah, the faux locks was bought on Amazon. The crochet faux locks was bought on Amazon. The braiding hair was bought at the local beauty supply here. Stick around, subscribe my beautiful people, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share my video on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram. Come on, it's all free. Help a girl out, get the word out. I share only valuable information over here. And so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just crochet it back up, kind of like shorten it a little bit more. And so shortening it, and then I'm gonna be attaching the crochet locks like this. So this is what I'll be doing. Okay, and so this is the locks, and it's so yeah. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put it onto the hair first, crochet it onto that, and then after crocheting it onto the braided hair, I'm gonna crochet back up. And if you want, you can do the braided hair a little bit shorter, you know. And then I'm just gonna wrap that around, and I'm gonna take some of my twisted up braid, and then I'm gonna just crochet to the root again to make it nice and secure in, and then I'm gonna just wrap it around the braid. So yeah, so this is how I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna wrap it around like this until I get to where the crochet starts. Yeah, so this is how I'm gonna be doing it, nice and fast, and then voila, and then there you go. So this is how it's gonna be looking. My butterfly locks is gonna be looking like that. So keep watching. Yeah, and I've already pre-braided. I pre-braided the passion twist, the butterfly locks. It's super easy to do. You just have to know what you're doing. Braid, make sure you braid your hair so that if you want your locks to last long, you want it to do it this way, or you could do it there. Other ways of doing it, but this is like my way of doing this one. You can do individual, do them individually, like crochet them without wrapping as well. You can do the cornrow method as well. So I'm just gonna crochet it in her hair and then pull it through. So keep watching. they're looking so beautiful. Okay, they're looking gorgeous, so gorgeous. And I'm gonna be try to install like 72 dreadlocks. Yeah, so I'll be trying to do that and full up her hair as much as possible and make her hair nice and bouncy and luscious. Looking all full and they're looking all full and beautiful. They look really, really, really good. So yeah, her hair wasn't too short though. It wasn't too short, and it was manageable braiding her hair. I didn't have to use any extensions, but I wanted to, because I wanted the locks to last as long as possible, and I don't want any slippage or any anything negative coming out of the hairstyle. So yeah, hence the reason why you don't have to use any lock extensions if your hair is long enough, or you feel that you can install them securely. Okay, so yeah. So they are finished. Look at the parts, they're nice and sleek, bouncy and nice. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing some mousse, some vigral mousse, and I'll be blow drying them as well, adding some moisture inside of her hair, moisturizing the locks as well, because they are synthetic hair, and synthetic hair tends to look dry if you don't moisturize and you shine and what's not. So you want them to be as nice and soft and shiny and smelling nice as well. So yeah. So doing the edges and all, those are the remainder of the locks. We probably had like 5 remaining. So I think I did 70 or 71, something like that. Yeah, so I'm doing her edges and just trying to make some swoops, loops. So yeah, and client doesn't have a lot of edges, baby hairs and what's not, but I'll work with anything that's there, and I'm just gonna blow dry them and make them even more flexible, and yeah. So after blow drying, this is the finished look. We have our dreadlocks, lock extension. Oh my god, I'm saying lock extensions, the full locks. Yeah, full locks extensions and what's not. So yeah, so this is it. I put some razzle dazzles on the dreadlocks, some gold razzle dazzles and what's not. So it's looking super cute and summery vibes. We have that beach vibes and vacation vibes and all of that. So yeah, thank you for watching as always. Catch you in my next video. Peace out.